In this video, we'll discuss the concept of randomization and its role in clinical trials. Understanding randomization can help participants feel more confident about the fairness and reliability of clinical research. Let's get started. Randomization is the process of assigning participants to different groups in a study by chance, rather than by choice. In a randomized clinical trial, each participant has an equal chance of being placed in any of the study groups, such as a treatment group or a control group. Randomization ensures that these groups are similar and balanced, helping researchers achieve accurate and unbiased results. The main goal of randomization is to eliminate bias. By randomly assigning participants to groups, researchers reduce the likelihood that certain characteristics, like age, gender, or health conditions, will affect the results of the study. Randomization helps ensure that any differences observed between the groups are due to the treatment itself, rather than other factors. In a clinical trial, randomization is often done using computer programs or other automated methods to assign participants to groups without any input from the researchers or participants. This helps maintain the study's objectivity and keeps both participants and researchers blind to the group assignments, which is especially important in double-blinded studies. In some studies, randomization is also stratified. This means that researchers ensure participants are balanced in each group according to certain characteristics, like age or disease severity, before they're randomly assigned. Stratified randomization adds another layer of balance to make results even more reliable. Randomization is essential to clinical research for several reasons. Randomizing groups means researchers can fairly compare the treatment effects because both groups are balanced and comparable. Randomization helps remove personal biases or expectations from researchers and participants, increasing the study's reliability. With randomization, study results are more likely to reflect how the treatment will work in the general population, not just a specific group. If you're participating in a randomized trial, it's important to remember that randomization does not affect the quality of care you'll receive. Each group in a clinical trial receives the same high standard of care for their condition. If you ever have questions about the randomization process, the research team is available to provide answers and support. Randomization is a vital part of clinical trials that helps produce fair and reliable results, ensuring that the findings are as accurate and unbiased as possible. By understanding randomization, you're taking an important step in informed participation in clinical research.